Welcome to J Fashion Academy. So, in today's video, I'll be showing you some tools that I'm using while cutting a material or a fabric. Yeah, like me, I'll be open to you guys. I'm still coming up, still learning new things daily from my top bosses. So, for now, the little things that I'm using to cut a shirt or a trouser or a blouse, a skirt, I'll be showing you guys. So you might use my type of tools in your own workshop or whenever you are cutting a fabric, or you can buy additional ones. You getting me? So first, this is my ruler. I know now some people, I'm saying this is my ruler, so people are just saying, what kind of ruler is this? Waiting be this, because it's not having line on it, inches on it. Are you getting me? So this is my ruler. I'm using it as a ruler. Yeah, I found it when I'm on my way home, so from shop. So I just found it out on the ground, and I decided to just pick it up. So this is my ruler. This is my pencil we normally use in the school. This is pencil. I use it to draw line. I don't use biro. If I use biro now, the ink is going to stay on that material. So if you wash it, it's not going to come out. So I decided to just use pencil. If I draw line, at least if you wash your shirt 1, 2, 3 times, it's going to be washed away. So pencil, number 2, and number 3, you have your scissors. Getting me? It's the scissors. There are some scissors that you see it's a little bit big. Yeah, I think that scissors is around, in my own site, it's around 1,000 or 1,500, some 2,000 like that. But this one is just 1,000. I bought it. That's from the market. I purchased it 1,000. So this is my ruler. Sorry. Hey. My bad. Sorry. Scissors. Chalk. Some say this one is the one that is doing the main work. But I'm not here to let's discuss about the difference. But I'm just showing the tools that I'm using for in my workshop while cutting. This is a chalk. Are you getting me? This is a chalk. And this is my measuring tape. This is a 60 inches tape. One of my colleagues say there's some tape that it reaches like 70 inches. But I also normally saw it answer to them like that online. Yeah, but I've never used it yet. But for now, this is the tape that I'm using. Understand? So there's a little bit this iron here, so it got removed. So sorry for that. Should I say sorry for that? Sorry for that, or I should just leave it like that? So the pin here got removed. So this is the tape that I'm using. See, it's not having any issue there. It's a 60 inches tape. I see. Keep it aside. So now this is your iron. Of a truth to you guys, I found it very difficult to know the name of this, but I put it as iron cooler. So this, I normally call it iron cooler. That's the name I normally call it, iron cooler. I don't know what you normally call it in your own site there. Iron cooler. So it's used for when ironing, just an iron, press it so that the heat will remain on the fabric. It's going to press the fabric well, smooth. I get me. It's going to make the cloth very smooth and good. You hear me? So now the last thing is thread. Yes, let me pick one and show you. You see, this is a black thread. This is a black thread. So mind you, any fabric that you are working on it, yes, so make sure you find the matching thread.